Deep cleaning on Lenovo 81 W4 laptop. Thank you to Sir Giovanni for trusting PTTIT solution. Regular deep cleaning of your laptop is essential for maintaining its performance and longevity. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the device, obstructing airflow and causing components to overheat. This can lead to reduced efficiency, slower performance, and potential hardware failures. By scheduling regular deep cleaning sessions, you ensure that the cooling system functions optimally, preventing overheating and thermal throttling. This proactive maintenance helps keep your laptop running smoothly and quietly, extends its lifespan, and minimizes the risk of costly repairs. Regular deep cleaning is a simple yet effective way to protect your investment and ensure your laptop operates at its best. Regular visits to a computer repair shop are highly beneficial for maintaining your laptop's health and performance. Professional technicians can perform deep cleanings to remove dust and debris that accumulate over time, which helps prevent overheating and ensures your system runs efficiently. Additionally, repair shops can identify and fix potential issues before they become major problems. Perform software updates, optimize your system's performance, and provide expert advice on upgrades. Regular maintenance from a computer repair shop can extend the lifespan of your device, enhance its performance, and save you from costly repairs in the future. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.